While tomorrow is the anniversary for the deadly tornado outbreak for Nashville and other areas, in Benton County tonight holds significance. An EF2 tornado spawned just after 11 p.m. on the night of March 2nd. It left a path of destruction and killed one man and hurt two others. Benton County EMA Director Richard Key remembers that night well.
We had approximately 30-something structures that were damaged in some type or another, whether it's a barn or a shed or a home. There was, I think it was 4 or 5 homes that were completely destroyed. We had one fatality. We had a number of first responders, fire department, rescue, law enforcement, electric companies, highway departments, all out helping to clear the scene. It was definitely a mess.
The man killed was 67-year-old Carl Frazee, who died protecting his girlfriend. His daughter remembers him tonight at 10. News 2 continues to mark the one-year anniversary since the 2020 tornado outbreak with our Tennessee Stronger reports all day in every newscast on Wednesday.